Hi there, I'm Jeanette and I'm here with Papercraft Essentials editor Rhea Claire. Hi Rhea.
Hi.
You alright?
I'm good, how are you?
I am fantastic. I'm super excited about the latest issue of Papercraft Essentials, which is issue 166. And I see a beautiful gift that you have there.
Yes. So this is our Winter Wonderland gift, which is part of the signature collection by Sara Davies. So it includes a 6x6 embossing folder and also 3 dies.
It's stunning. It's so elegant.
Pretty.
It's so fancy.
We have got so much inspiration in the magazine for the Winter Wonderland gift. On page 15 we've got designs by Nikki Gilbert, which is some of the ones that you can see here. They are so pretty and so versatile. They do a great job of showcasing what you can do with the gift, especially the embossing folder. The colour palette is really pretty. There's lots of embellishments and bows, and there's definitely lots of ways to show how you can use the gift. And also on page 80 we have more designs by Claire Rhodes Brandon. These I think are going to be quite good for masculine makes because of the colour palette. We've got a few more techniques such as stack die cutting and the faux letterpress technique, and there's also a step-by-step guide so that you can create a partial die cut panel using your dies.
And what are the techniques that readers are learning this issue?
So this issue we have a really exciting beginner's guide on 3D die cut gift tags, which is the perfect project for if you've finished your Christmas card making and you're looking for something to spruce up your gift wrap and your gifts. These are so cute. There's so many adorable designs from Christmas trees and wreaths and a little pom-pom, and perfect for just that little extra something special on your gifts. And there's also a step-by-step guide on how to create one of the projects. And also on page 65 we have our masterclass, which if you are taking a little break from Christmas crafting maybe, then this could be for you. This is using Distress Oxide ink to create galaxy backgrounds, which are really, really pretty and really effective. Out of this world, you could say.
Honey!
There are so many ideas. There's a step-by-step guide on how you can recreate one of Christine Smith's designs. There is a bonus card on our blog, which is actually a Christmas card. If you wanted to do the technique for a Christmas card, then you can. And I just think it's a really effective technique.
And what's your favourite feature of this issue?
This issue, my favourite feature has to be the cards for kids on page 72 with designs by Jo Boland. They are using the Creative Dies Cuddly Characters collection, and they are so cute, perfect for kids. There's a little angel, there's a robin, a little snowman, and also a bonus project on the blog using the gingerbread man to create a little gift tag. There's also a 10% discount at CraftStash for the entire Creative Dies Cuddly Characters range, so don't miss that.
And I really encourage you to take advantage of that discount code because these are seriously the most, like the cutest, most delightful dies ever.
You will regret it if you do not get these dies, they are so cute. And that offer for the discount ends on the 22nd of November.
And I heard you have a very exciting subscription offer right now.
We do. So our subscription gift in issue 166 is a £50 CraftStash voucher. So you can use that on any of your favourite brands, your favourite products, but that expires on the 15th of November, so don't hang about.
Don't delay. And if you're not quite ready to subscribe, no worries. You can get the individual issue, which is issue 166, at a few places. So you can get that at craftstash.co.uk. moremags.com.
And you can also buy it from large supermarkets, WH Smith and independent craft retailers.
Well, thank you so much, Rhea, for stopping by and sharing your magazine.
Thank you. We're so excited about this issue. We think it's going to be really great.
Yes. And we will see you all very soon.
Bye.
Bye.